Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Claudette and I am your Jamaican Gypsy Granny. Now, today I want to talk to you about an incident that happened to me, and I am sure that most of you content creators have probably faced this issue. Now, first let me back up a bit. As some of you know, I recently posted a video that spoke about the fact that I was turned back from Cancun while going to visit my daughter in Mexico. Now, this was not the first time I went to Mexico. I've been there twice before that. And that video gained a lot of views. There were a lot of people commenting on it. So, there was a lot of controversy that came out of that because I said I was going there to live, people thought I meant, or I mentioned that I'd lived there previously, people thought I was actually living in the people in country. But the reality is that for me, if I'm staying somewhere, living in my own home and not a hotel, and this is more than 6 months, I consider it living. Maybe I should have said I was staying there, but it's semantics, all right? So yeah, I lived there for 6 months, which is allowed on my Jamaican visa, and I was going back there for another 6 months to live, because I live there. If you sleep there, you eat there, you live there. Allow me to tell? Anyway, that caused a lot of controversy. But, I was glad for the engagement that this issue caused, because I tell you, negative or positive, it's good because you're getting the engagement. And I was glad for it, and because that video did so well, my channel got monetized in less than 3 weeks. 3 weeks. I was monetized. Now that channel I think was like maybe about 2 years old, but this video caused me to get monetized. Now when you become monetized, YouTube offers you several tools that helps you with your content creation and stuff like that. One of these tools is called Copyright Match. Now when I saw the copyright thing on the side, I thought it only was allowed me to check if I was making copyright infringement in the making of my video. It was through doing my research and reading up on all things, I realized that this allows me to see when someone has used my video and is actually, plagiarizing my content. So I went in and I looked at the video. Now this video, it started, the tool not only tells you that, it tells you where in the video your video was placed. It tells you how long it was and all of that. Now when we go watch the man video, can you imagine the whole of my video from start to finish the man have, right? He did not interrupt it once. He did not say anything about me in the beginning. He didn't mention my name. He just mentioned the issue. He did not acknowledge me in any way. He did not encourage anyone to come over to my channel to look at anything. He just used my video so. Right? He got over 2,000 views on that video using my video. Now, I spoke to a few people and I said, should I go ahead and put in a copyright claim on this? Because I am not craven and I want everyone to do well. But when you're going to use my whole video without even acknowledging me, sending anyone over to me, nothing, you don't reach out to me and ask permission, nothing, you just jump up and use my video, so? Now, especially the fact that this wasn't just any arbitrary video. This was a video about a trauma that I went through. And as someone who has suffered numerous types of trauma throughout life, I kind of have some PTSD. A whole heap of things are gone. My life complicated. But I was upset. This is my personal story. This is not something I did on Jamaica or something like that. This is my personal story. This is my life. This is living for me. And you're going to use my whole video without even giving me a chance to make anything off of the fact that you used my whole video. So I went ahead and I put in the copyright claim. Now when you're doing the copyright claim, YouTube insists that you provide an email address so that if the person wants to reach out to you and ask for forgiveness and ask for you to remove the copyright strike, they are able to do so, right? So not even an hour after I sent it through, this man emails me and he says, "Hi Claudette, I am so and so from so and so. I'm not going to point him out because I'm not trying to, put anybody on blast or anything like that. But I'm so and so from so and so. I'm so sorry I used your video. Can you please forgive me? Please remove the copyright strike. Please, Jamaica Granny. Please, Jamaica Granny. He did not even address me by name. He keep calling me Granny. And throughout his video, when he was speaking of me, he referred to me as Granny. That's it. Nothing else. Just Granny. Granny, wherever you are, I hope you're doing well. Granny this, Granny that, Granny that. No, please. You're not my grandson. I can't. Sorry. Anyway, so I decided I'm not removing it because these people need to learn a lesson. I know of a lot of content creators that are having this same problem where people go ahead and use the video without acknowledging you, without giving you any acknowledgement at all. They don't suggest that someone come over and check out your channel. Nothing, right? Now that video didn't take me a lot of time to prepare because, it was just me straightforwardly talking about my story. But there are content creators who put hours, because to make a video takes hours. It's not an easy thing, which is why I encourage people, when you're watching other people's content, try to watch the videos, because it's work. It's a lot of work. People may think that it is quick and easy to put up a YouTube video and you just make money. So no, it's not set work. It's a whole heap of work. First of all, you have to go out and make the content. Then you have to edit it. And editing, especially when you're new to it, is not easy, right? And it takes hours sometimes to make a video. Now, for you to just now come in and sit down there for however long and just put something at the front, something at the back, and make money off of my video, that is not fair, especially seeing that it was something that was so personal to me. So I decided I was not going to remove the copyright strike, because these people need to learn. They need to stop using it. There's nothing wrong with stitching or commenting or whatever on somebody's channel, but you do it respectfully. You acknowledge the creator. You let them know that, you know what, I got this content from here. Go over there, watch our channel. Something. You have to give back something. Come on now. I mean, I know this is public domain, but we have rights to the work that we put in, right? Now, has anyone ever experienced this? And I'd like you to let me know in the comments. Do you agree with me for doing the copyright strike? Or don't you agree? If you do agree, let me know why. If you don't agree, let me know why. I'd love to hear from you. And while you're at it, please remember to hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell so you get notified each time I post a video. And comment. Let me know what you're thinking. Let me know if I did wrong, which I just want to hear your opinion. All right. So yeah, that's it. I think. Is there anything else I need to talk about? No, not at this time. Thanks so very much for watching, and catch you next time. Travel safe. Walk good. I am your Jamaican Gypsy Granny. Ciao.